Okay, here we are with the tiny house. I have got the majority of it done. I just need to put the finish off the roof. So right now we've got the siding on. We've got this siding right here in the back. Up here on the top level, we've got we got 3/4 inch plywood. On the roof, we've got 3/4 inch plywood. And I've got this flashing coming around here, the side and the front. A 6-inch flashing coming down the side that'll be next to the gutters. And I've got these boards in here squeezed in between the house and the flashing. The black is all the adhesive I used for the flashing. And if you come up here on the top, you can see this flashing here. This is 4 inches, whereas down below it's 3 inches. I'm sorry, 6 inches down below. That runs the length of here. And then here's some 1.5 inch flashing. I cut off the tip of it, so down there is 2 inches, and then up here is 1.5 inches. So we're now ready to lay down the felt. I also mentioned that this is 3/4 inch plywood, so it's about 37 inches from one side to the other. And I had to use, this is all stuff I got from the dumpsters. So we've got actually 5 sections. Here's 1, 2, 3. This is a long one that I got from Jeff. And I think another one I might have gotten from Jeff. Anyway, so there's 5 whole sections. This one down here I actually reinforced the cracks from the bottom. Okay, here's the video with the felt paper down. As you can see, I didn't put a lot of nails in them. I may have hit them too hard, I don't know. But anyway, they're down on all the cross beams. And here it is with the front section. I trimmed away a portion of the felt so that I could then glue and nail down the roofing, the tin roofing. So this is Papa's tiny house. We're getting close to the end now, and you can see that I've got the tin roof up there. I've got most of the flashing on. I'm now starting to work on the north side, which is where the top level door is going to be. You can see that there is on the side. That's where the other doors are going to be. These are going to be sliding doors, whereas this is going to be a hinged door. And I've just added down below, I've added a couple boards on here on this north side that will add stability to it. Kind of hard to get in there, but I was able to put some screws in, but it's mostly glued in with adhesive. So that big piece of plywood there is going to go here on the north side. Here's a close-up of the tiny house, and you can see here how it's starting to take shape. These right here are going to be the siding. I've got that siding on the back and on the south side. It'll go on the north side. Once again, there's that big piece of plywood that'll be used for the north side. But you can see how I've got this flashing on here all the way along there. I got a double layer of flashing right here. One underneath the tin and one on top of the tin. And here's the flashing here on this side. Now you can see from this angle that I've got the gutter on there, and you can see how this tin will extend over. You can see the slope there on that gutter. So when the water falls down, it'll actually go into this is like an apron. Okay, this is we're getting near the end here. Got the plywood all up. I've got the ledge, the face for the cabinet door put on. We're coming along. I'm going to put on the siding now. There's the work area. Okay, so this weekend we finished the doors, and I'll show you what they look like from the inside here in a minute. Right now I've got them closed, and so this is what it looks like from the angle. You can see here how it looks. It looks pretty nice, I think. Now I don't have the upper doors on yet, just the bottom big doors. Alright. Okay, so here's what the door looks like on the inside. You can see here that it's prepared with thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick plywood. That's this stuff right here. It's got a 2x4 frame right here, and then I had to run an additional 2x4 across the top and the bottom in order for it to be sturdy. You can see the glue that's in there, the adhesive that I used to put it together. Alright, so now I'm going to work on the inside of it, sand off this interior, and paint it.